Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the most promising side hustles for beginners in 2025. This video will bring you the most up-to-date opportunities that can help you start earning extra income, even if you're completely new to the business world. This is the Finance Virtuoso channel. If you're new here, hit subscribe and the notification bell for the best money tips and tricks. The landscape of side hustles has evolved significantly, and what worked a few years ago might not be as effective today. But don't worry, I'll break down exactly which opportunities are worth your time and energy in 2025, based on factors like startup costs, scalability, and current market demands. 1. Let's start with what I consider the absolute best opportunity for beginners right now: content creation, particularly on YouTube. Now, I know what you're thinking: isn't YouTube saturated? Actually, the platform continues to grow, and there's always room for authentic, valuable content. The key is that you don't need to be a genius or have special talents. You just need to share knowledge about topics you're already passionate about or experienced in. Whether you're a teacher, IT professional, or hobby enthusiast, there's an audience waiting to learn from your experiences. What makes YouTube particularly attractive in 2025 is the multiple revenue streams it offers, from ad revenue to sponsorships, merchandise, and affiliate marketing. Many successful creators are now making $10,000 plus monthly from their channels within their first year of consistent posting. 2. Digital products have become increasingly valuable in 2025, and this is an excellent opportunity for beginners. Think about what you're good at. Maybe you're great at organizing your work life, or perhaps you've mastered a particular software. You can create templates, guides, or tools that help others achieve similar results. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and can sell them indefinitely. Plus, with AI tools becoming more accessible, creating professional-looking products has never been easier. What's particularly exciting is the emergence of AI-enhanced digital products that can adapt to user needs while maintaining your expertise at the core. 3. Online coaching and consulting have exploded in popularity, and here's why this matters in 2025. People are increasingly seeking personalized guidance in their personal and professional lives. The key is to start in a niche where you already have expertise. Maybe you've successfully navigated a career change, mastered a programming language, or achieved significant fitness goals. Your experience, combined with your ability to guide others, can become a valuable service. One interesting trend we're seeing is the rise of hybrid coaching models that combine automated tools with personalized attention, allowing coaches to serve more clients while maintaining high-quality support. 4. Now, let's explore a side hustle that's gained significant traction: service-based businesses, particularly in the cleaning and maintenance sector. Power washing, specialized cleaning services, and property maintenance might not sound glamorous, but they're incredibly lucrative in 2025. Why? Because as people become busier and more focused on their careers, they're increasingly willing to pay for these essential services. The barrier to entry is relatively low, and you can start making money almost immediately. Many successful entrepreneurs in this space are now incorporating eco-friendly practices and smart scheduling systems to stand out from competitors. 5. Print-on-demand businesses have evolved significantly by 2025, thanks to advancements in 3D printing and customization technologies. This isn't just about t-shirts anymore. We're talking about customized home decor, personalized accessories, and unique functional items. The key to success here is identifying specific niches and creating designs that resonate with passionate communities. The integration of augmented reality previews has made it easier than ever for customers to visualize products before purchasing, leading to higher conversion rates and fewer returns. 6. Real estate and property management continue to be solid opportunities, even for beginners. While traditional property ownership might require significant capital, there are newer ways to get started. Property management services, particularly for short-term rentals, have become a viable entry point. Many property owners need reliable managers for their Airbnb properties, and this can be an excellent way to learn the industry while earning steady income. The rise of digital nomads and remote workers has created new opportunities in this space, especially for those who can cater to long-term business travelers. 7. Our seventh opportunity is specialized B2B services. As businesses continue to digitize and adapt to new technologies, there's a growing need for individuals who can help with this transition. If you have skills in areas like digital marketing, web development, or business automation, you can start by offering these services to small businesses in your local area. The key is to focus on specific industries or niches where you can become known as the go-to expert. 8. Moving on to number 8, cryptocurrency and blockchain-related opportunities. While trading itself is highly risky and not recommended for beginners, there are other ways to participate in this industry. Educational content creation, community management, and basic consulting services for blockchain projects have become viable options for those with a good understanding of the technology. 9. Our ninth opportunity is what I call digital maintenance services. This involves helping individuals and small businesses manage their digital presence, everything from social media management to basic website maintenance and content updates. The beauty of this side hustle is that you can learn these skills relatively quickly and start with just a few clients. 10. Number 10. SEO-focused content creation and blog management remain strong opportunities, but with a 2025 twist. The key is understanding that AI has changed the game. It's no longer about quantity but about creating genuinely helpful, expert-level content that AI can't replicate. If you have expertise in a specific field, creating in-depth, authoritative content can be incredibly profitable. The rise of voice search and AI-driven content discovery has created new opportunities for those who can optimize content for these emerging platforms. 11. Our 11th opportunity is particularly relevant in our AI-driven world, becoming an AI implementation specialist for small businesses. As AI tools become more accessible, many small businesses need help integrating these technologies into their operations. If you're comfortable with technology and can help businesses automate their processes, this could be an excellent opportunity. The demand for AI implementation specialists has grown exponentially, with many charging premium rates for their expertise. 12. Finally, affiliate marketing has evolved significantly by 2025. It's no longer just about promoting products, it's about becoming a trusted advisor in specific niches. The key is to focus on products or services you genuinely believe in and can authentically recommend to your audience. This works particularly well when combined with content creation or social media presence. The most successful affiliate marketers are now creating comprehensive comparison tools and detailed guides that help their audiences make informed decisions. Here's something important to remember: the best side hustle for you might not be the most profitable one on paper. It should align with your skills, interests, and available time. Consider factors like whether you prefer working with people directly, if you're comfortable with technology, and how much time you can consistently dedicate to your side hustle. As we wrap up, let me emphasize that the most successful side hustlers in 2025 aren't just picking one of these opportunities, they're often combining multiple streams. For example, you might start with content creation, which leads to digital product sales, which then opens doors for coaching opportunities. The key is to start with one focus and expand naturally as you gain experience and identify new opportunities. Remember, the side hustle landscape will continue to evolve, but these opportunities offer solid foundations for beginners in 2025. Start with what resonates with your skills and interests, and don't be afraid to adapt as you learn and grow. The most important step is simply to start. You can refine and adjust your approach as you gain experience. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more practical business advice and side hustle tips. And hey, if you're already running a successful side hustle, share your experience in the comments. Your insights could really help someone else get started on their journey. Until next time, keep hustling smart.